Okay, so your computer has a pop-ups, McAfee pop-ups, or notification pop-ups on your browser. So, like this, your PC is in danger, and it's allowing you to click into it and purchase the virus. In actual fact, it's a virus itself, and you just want to pose more risk and more harm to your computer in order to tell you that you need to get rid of it and part with your money to get rid of the virus when it's the virus in itself. So you can get two ways of doing it. You can go to one of them. You can go into your notifications. So you click on the three dots, go to notification settings. If you go to notifications, I cannot. Oh, it's over here. Can you see at the top there? That's where it is. So yeah, if you click on the three dots, go to notification settings, system notification boots window opens up, and then can you see that? And you toggle off there. Toggle that off. But really, what you want to do is delete that whole thing anyway. Obviously, it's all gobbledygook settings. So one more thing is you download Internet Explorer. Not Internet Explorer, so Malwarebytes. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. We go to Internet Settings. Sorry, Explorer or Edge. Type in Malwarebytes. Download free version. All you want to do is scan it. You don't want to keep it. So the free one obviously isn't a proper permanent antivirus, but it's at least going to help you in this situation. When a virus occurs, you just want to scan a really good scanning tool. So this is a fantastic scanning tool. So that's been downloaded. Now I'm going to install the product. Switch out of S mode. You might have to log into that. To switch out of, if you've got a computer with switch out of S mode, you're going to have to sign into the Windows with your Microsoft password, I think. Switch out S mode and can now install apps from outside the store. Cool, so that's very easy. Now that will allow you now, switch S mode means you can only download and install Microsoft associated apps. Don't install McAfee. Install personal secure my browser. Yeah, so this is a very good scanning tool, which I recommend. Install it first. Once that's downloaded, you open and installed, click open Malwarebytes. Click on the scan now. Check for updates, and it will start to scan memory and on all the rest of the computer. And this Malwarebytes is a fantastic tool for when you are in the situation of a virus compromising your computer. Malbytes is one of the best out there in terms of a scanning tool. So this is a free version. If you want to have a proper shielding tool, like antivirus, acting like an antivirus, you're going to have to install the premium version. But there is a little hack at the end now. I'm going to show you. If you stay tuned. So the scan takes what determines the length of the scan is the size of the computer, or the size of the hard drive, and obviously any files as well, any the hardware you've got as well, how the performance of the hardware. So scan the startup items. Now it's scanning the file system. Okay, so that's now finished, the scan. It took around 10 minutes. View scan results. And it's found 4 items. So threats detected, potentially unwanted programs is found. Let's have a look. Downloads, PC Protect. It's any potential unwanted programs. It hasn't found any viruses. When they released installed programs, it's just some exe files. So they're not really viruses. So it's just in the downloads folder. So it's quarantining those. So they're actually located within here. So you know that's not really viruses. And so yeah, if you want to, if this is you only get this for 14 days. If you want to keep it, you have to get the you know, this is the premium trial version. So if you want to keep this, obviously as all on antiviruses, you got to be always trying to upsell your stuff. So continue a free trial. Click on that. But if you want to say you want to keep it, is what I recommend you do. Type in malware bytes, uninstall. So if you want to keep malware bytes, have the free version, not pay for it, you'd be able to uninstall and switch to malware bytes free. Now you've got free version. All you have to do is go to the uninstall, attempt to uninstall the app, and it's free. No longer have to pay for the premium version. So that's it now. Another thing you can do is just clean up as well. Do this clean up like that, and clean out the temporary files. So temporary internet files, temporary files of the computer, temporary internet files are your browser files. So you want to delete those as well. 373 megabytes. You sure you want to do it? Yeah. Delete files. That's it. Sorted. So that's how you get rid of that virus. Please like, subscribe and comment on the video. Please pass it along. Thank you so much for watching. Chill. Thank you so much.